Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of FTB Neotech, a modded Minecraft mod pack produced by the folks over at FTB, Feed the Beast. While offline for a little bit, I redecorated the castle here a little bit, or fortress, whatever you want to call it. Just put some sanded diorite in there in the walls, took the towers up a little bit higher, just to give it more of a look. Did that, come all the way up. Still have a lot of work to do with it here, especially up around here. I haven't finished this part yet, but we're going to have these stairs that go up here, give us more of this tree farm going on. And our tree farm's doing pretty good, right? We need to expand these crates a little bit more so I can get more wood coming in, because right now it's kind of full. But that's a good thing, because soon it won't stay full once we get more power going. I've set up these crates over here. Actually, barrels. They're limited barrels, so only one item goes in there. We'll be using these limited barrels in combination with the AE2 storage. I like using these barrels because once I get them built up, I can just put a void item inside each barrel, and once it hits the caps, it'll just void the items out, and that way AE2 is not getting fully built up. Eventually we will move these crates over to there also. I may even move the whole drilling platform here. I haven't fully decided yet. Today we are going to work on the LV tree here, LV and me, so we'll try to get some of this stuff done. I'm hoping we can get into doing the steam boilers. A large steam boilers. We're going to need lots of steam as we get into these higher stages. They require a lot more power, a lot more steam. I mean, you take this LV steam turbine, it's going to need at least 2 to 4 of these smaller boilers, 4 bronze or 2 steel boilers for each LV machine. And then each LV machine will provide enough power for like 4 of these machines here. But we're going to be getting into bigger machines, having a lot more of these. AE2 power, when we get it going up, it's going to require a lot of power for that system. So we're going to work on the LV and get the steam boilers built up, which we going to plan on putting over here. So let's go ahead and get that started. Going to grab these bronze boilers, which should give us credit for that. Yep. Go ahead and collect that stuff. We'll just put it in there. Let's see. Let's get a turbine made. I think we have the stuff for that. I hope we do. I kind of didn't pay attention to it, I guess. Oh, yes, we do. Nice. So once the turbine done, just gotta minimize that. Ooh. Sorry about that. Minimize the screen there. Collect all that stuff, get some more of the motors. We'll make some of these other machines once we get done there. I want to get started on the steam ahead, because what we'll do is we'll pipe the steam into the tank system here, and then we'll take the steam out of there and get it into the steam turbines at the different locations. And one of the things I did do was I've run a steam pipe all the way down here at the bottom, so we'll feed off our steam pipes all throughout here as we go. This turbine, I am going to let's put the turbine right. We'll just put it right there for right now. Oh, it's out of our inventory. The rest of the stuff we are going to need. We're going to need to make some heat-proof machine casings. Some bronze pipe machine casings we will need. So we'll get them hotkeyed. Bronze plated bricks we're going to need a bunch of. We've already got the inputs and outputs built. Oh, we need this guy too, the big steam boiler. Alright. Alright, let's see what we can get made here. Alright, let's go ahead and make our steam boiler. Oops. Oh, we need some bronze covered plates. I thought we had them stockpiled already. My apologies. Let's go and make a bunch of these bronze plated bricks. We'll go ahead and make 64 of those right now, and we will need, where'd they go? We're gonna need about, what do we need, like 24 of them? So we'll just pull 32 here. We got the boiler. Where did we put the... Alright. See if we got enough of these made yet. That should be enough. Alright, steam boiler. Boom. Made. Bronze plate bricks. Bronze pipe machine casings. We're going to need 6 of these. Alright. Just going to bring a bunch of that out. Where's our... Uh-oh, where's our hammer at? We'll make a new one? Don't see it anywhere. Nope, we want this one. Yeah. Don't know. Alright, I don't want... Let me go get some temporary blocks to build with here. Some dirt blocks there. The guy there, and that's we want it to come up on. Alright. Oops, gotta go get it. There we go. Alright, so we got in-bar blocks that gotta go down there. And we didn't make the in-bar blocks. Alright, hang on. Got all about the in-bar blocks. Or heat-proof machine casings, I should say. We're gonna need, what, 9 of those? Yeah. There we go. Oh, that gave us quest completion on 2 of these items. Alright. And I'll get some more of that stuff. Alright. So we'll just boom. There we go. And then we need what? 1, 2 of these in the center. Alright. And then we need casings all the way around. Oops. Alright, that is completed, though we do need our outputs. Alright, we're going to need fluid input, we're going to need water, and some steam. What we're going to do, let's remove some of these so I can get down below here. Alright, we're going to take, you know what, we're going to do this. I want the water to come up in the center. I think we can put it in the center. There we go, yeah. Let's remove that. Let's put 1 hat. Okay, it did go. Alright, we'll put 1 hatch there, and then we've got the fluid coming out, and we'll have that come into here. Alright. Now we need a steam out. Where's our steam output? There we go. Fluid output. We'll do right here in the front. There we go. Alright, now we still need to do an item input, so let's do that on, we'll do this corner here. Alright, now we'll do them on the back side there. Let's get our water pipe up first, which is in the center. There we go. Right. Yep, that's going in for the water. We're going to need steam coming down, but we'll bring the steam pipe out here. Do that. We want that coming out. Alright, so those 2 machines are hooked up. I need to get some more pipes because we got to run pipes down from, both those pipes need to run down from up there. let's get some item pipes. And alright, item pipes. We're gonna need some more blue fluid pipes. We need more of these still. Get rid of those bronze plates, get rid of that alloy ingot. There we go. Alright, let's go connect all this stuff. It's too bad we couldn't put pipes there in the up in the top, but it's just not the way it's gonna go. Out, and we'll just bring it down and come across. Alright, then item pipe, we are gonna come, I want to do this. I don't like how this is connected. Now we'll do this. Bring that down. You know what? Let's get rid of this. I want to do... Yeah, let's do it this way. Yeah, we'll do that on the out. I'm gonna separate this there. Don't want it separate. What can I do there? Don't want that connected. It's alright, we can leave that connected actually. That's going to be coming out. That one's coming in. Alright, so that should all still be working, hopefully. We'll find out here shortly. Oops. Alright, that's going to be our creosote oil. Let's get the item pipe down here. There we go. Alright. Alright, something's not working right somewhere. Oh, duh. Okay. I hooked these pipes up wrong. Whoops. Alright, we'll go up top and fix that. Fix that right here. There we go. pipe, and we need to change that to output. Alright, we got that going. And got that going right. Let's see if that worked. Oops. Alright, charcoal's in, creosote's in. Temperature's up there, and we do have steam in there. So there's our first steam boiler. And what we're going to do next is, let's go down this way. I'm going to bring the steam pipe into here, but what I want to do here, oops, let me go get the stuff we're going to need. We're going to build a tank down there to hold all the steam. That way we can build up on the steam. Oops, I need that glass. I had already pre-made this stuff for us, that way we didn't have to go through all the making again. Alright, machine casings we're going to put here. These will be our borders. We're just doing a 5x5. Could be taller. You can go, as long as the width and depth are the same, you can go as much height as you really want. But we're just going to go 4x5 here. Alright, looks like everything's there, but it's not. Don't know why it's not working right now. Looks like I'm missing some glass. Hang on. There we go. Finally. Alright. All working now. Sorry about that, folks. Don't lie, I missed that one piece of glass block and that was it. Alright. So that's there. Now I'm going to take some fluid pipe. This one's going to go there, and we're going to set it to outbound because we want the steam coming out of here, not into there. We need to go on the other side and pipe the steam in. Which means we gotta come down here into the water area. Let's just do this. Boom, boom. There's a walkway down here. Alright, there we go. You can see the large hatch is already filling up. 94 buckets already going into there. And it's only pulling from this machine. So we will get other machines hooked up to it. And then we'll hook up other powers throughout here. So now for this LV machine that we had over here, let's just get rid of this for right now. Yep, we're still filling up 297 buckets. It'll take a lot to fill that bucket up. I mean, you're talking 8,000 buckets, so. Got a hole right there. Oops. Let's just do that. There we go. Now we're going to bring the pipe out this way. We will take our machine, LV turbine machine. I'm just going to place it right on top for now. There we go. Got steam coming in. Got 3200 EU. Now we'll be able to run cables from that to the other machines. Let's see, what do we want to build first? We got the storage unit, which we'll get that in a little bit. Let's do a actually, let's go ahead and do the assembler here. See if we've got enough machines to make it. We'll need 3 control arms. Alright, let's see, what do we need? We need to make some of these. We need a couple pistons. Alright. Alright, here's our assembler. Let's go ahead and prop it up on some dirt just for now. And we are going to need some cables. Maybe we need some tin cable. No, we got tin cable here somewhere. There we go. Tin cable from there to there. Now our machine's got power. Don't know what we're going to use the assembler for yet, but there's our steam, there's our LV power. Let's see. What do we need to make a polarizer? some more redstone dust. Got 2 stacks of that. Polarizer. Yeah, we don't have enough materials for that stuff yet. Might. Might have enough for the mixer here. Polarizer right there, and we'll put the mixer there for right now. And 10 cable. All right. All 3 of them have power. Basic upgrades. What we got here? Some more motors, some chips, and robot arms. Nice. Gonna need to make the packer though, so that we can start making our printed circuits. And with printed circuits, we'll be able to get into applied energetics. Which is a lot better storage system, plus it will allow us to automate a lot of crafting. So we'll definitely be headed that way. Let's see if we got enough to make 2 of these. So we got 1. Everything. Alright, there's our packer. Put that right there. Give it some power. Alright. Got that. Basic upgrades. So we can add overclocks to these. Okay, cool. We'll have to make some of them later. Alright, we got these 3 done. Ooh, LV storage unit. Yeah, we'll probably make some of these down the road, but I don't know. Yeah, we still got to make some more. We got a whole bunch of batteries we need to make for that. Alright, let's see. We can make. We need to make these printed circuits. Search crystal and a calculation press. Alright, I think we can do some of those actually. We've got. Actually, we'll grab some of these presses right now. Grab up that search crystal. And where's the packer? There's the packer. Alright, so we put that there, put that there. Not working. Why is that not working? Oh, we need 8 EU. Interesting. Okay. Does that mean we need to take some of that out? And I see, let's put inscribe calculus planner. Oh, there we go. We don't need any extra EU. Just had to get the right recipe in there. Engineering, we're gonna need diamonds. That's gonna be a little brutal right now. I think we have 1 diamond somewhere. 1 second. Alright, we got our printed circuit board. Let's go see if we can find a diamond. There we go. We got 1 diamond, and then we need a gold bar. There we go. Oh boy. Let's put that up there, put that up there. We don't need that stuff out. There we go. Yeah. 1 gold bar. Later on, what we'll do is we'll create some separate machines where we can just automate these. So we'll make a packer for each one. Diamond 1 needs engineering for us. Alright. So we've got the 3 circuits made. Gives us some extra. We're gonna need to make a silicon one. That one we gotta do a little bit more steps. What do we gotta do here? We're gonna make a silicon bar, which is gonna require silicon dust. We've got no silicon right now. Quartz dust and Certus dust. What do we got here? Okay, another quartz in the macerator. Alright, we can do this. Let's go ahead and oops. Yeah, here's our macerator, and let's just go ahead and put 32 of those in there. And we should have another quartz over here. Yeah, we get 32 of those. We're just going to put these presses in here for right now. We're going to need some sand. Did not mean to grab that many blocks of it. There we go. There's our quartz sand, quartz dust. Alright, inside this mixer. Boom, boom, boom. That'll give us our silicon dust. Take some of that out of there, and then just go ahead and get it burned up. there's a silicon ingot. And which press do we need here? We need this one. Alright. I grabbed the wrong one? Ah. We need to make it into a plate. No, wrong machine almost. Oof. That was close. Right. There we go, silicon plate. Alright, now we got some silicon printed boards. Why did that? We need to... Alright, let's go do this real quick. Get our quest completion done. Compass. Alright, now we'll put the compass here in the polarizer. Just gotta wait for it to get done. Alright, there we go. That gives us completion, some more silicon dust. Get completion there, we get that. And then we can make an energy acceptor. What we gonna need to make all that? Let's put that out there. We're gonna need some quartz glass, some steel plates, and analog circuit. Alright, let's have some more quartz dust here somewhere. There we go. Oh, Sardis quartz dust. Okay, 1 second. There we go. Get 8 of those made. Alright. Here's our energy acceptor. We'll go ahead and collect all that. Get all that done there. And that opened up. Where is it? It did not open up that. That opened up. Where are you? Oh yeah, they got it in storage wars here. This is where we're going to start doing the AE2, which we'll probably do that in next episode, I think. But this is an energy acceptor, and I think if we just put it there, it's offline right now because we don't got nothing connected to it. Oh, right now it's in cables. That kind of sucks. Can we do... Nope, that didn't work. Not the way I was hoping for it. There we go. Alright. See, energy acceptor is what we've we'll need that. That'll transfer the energy to the AE controller when we make that. We will get down to eventually here. Yeah, I'll have to look all that stuff up. They don't have a great quest chain here for it all. We're going to make some fluix crystals though. Crystal assemblers, we can do that in air, water. We can also throw this stuff in water. We don't actually have to do it in the mixer, but we probably will. Alright. Just want to check on our tank here. Oh wow, our tank's full already. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm going to do some more resource grinding up here and I'll bring us back in a little bit.